So this is the first time I'm using the 17 Magnum of the day, and as you can see, this Magnum here, these needles, it's white, and maybe this is a brand that you know. If you don't know, this is one of my favorite ones ever. Actually, this brand is called T-Tech, and T-Tech is a Canadian company. I think this is not really famous, and one more time I will be talking about not famous things, but for me it worths to be famous. So I'm using T-Tech since I began tattooing. I'm tattooing since more than 8 years now. And actually when I began tattooing, I tried a lot of different things. I was working in a studio and my boss was using that because these needles are not expensive at all and it was cheap for the studio. So he was saying, okay, we will order all the cheap needles like this, we can earn more money. So I was not tattooing since a long time. I didn't know how to do, so okay, I was doing the same. And after that, when I was working alone, I understood a lot of things and I said I will try using only the best materials ever. So this is how I began. So this is the inside of the mouth. I'm using the 7 shader from Quadron and the black because this needs to be perfectly black. I don't need to put details in this. This is just a filling in totally black. So I'm just making this rotary movement, you know, like cycles. And I'm going really slow to make this black really deep. If you want to be sure that your black is really deep, when you're finished, you can just put a little of water on top of your tattoo to see if there is still some blank spaces to fill with black. And this is an advice that I keep since a lot of years, and this is really helpful. So you can remember that. You just put a little of water on top of your black and you can see straight away if you have blank spaces. I take the 17 Magnum Soft Edge and black outlining Stone Edge Grey, and I'm going to create this shadow next to my wolf. So this is the background I'm going to make here. Concerning the technique, I'm pushing hard on my needle to saturate the skin, like for dark shadow. So I'm doing this rotation movement with the needle, pushing hard. For the moment I'm using only really dark ink, and after that I will take a little lighter. But concerning the technique, what I advise you to make a good saturate black or black and Stone Edge like here. So what I mean is when you want to saturate in a dark ink, you have to do an area. So you make this rotation movement in a small square, like 1 centimeter square, and after that you come in a different way on the same square and you do exactly the same movement. So you do in one way and on another way on the same place, and your black will be really black. So don't hesitate to do this. You come one time and second time on top. After that you blend it and you do the square method, the centimeter square just beside it, and you do the same technique. You go one time and the second time on top.